We got more severe weather today, April 1st, so it's April Fool's. Um, in the morning, I found out that Missouri was like dead middle, or I mean, at least Rolla, Missouri, where I live. I found out that we were dead straight, like straight in the middle of the red area, which means that storms are likely. I mean, severe stuff is likely. But for most of the day, nothing's been happening. It's like the weather was trying to pull some big April Fool's prank because it's April 1st and all that, you know. But now we are finally getting things. Um, we now are under a tornado watch. So there's that. Okay, so here's the situation. So down in Rolla, we're still under that tornado watch. But in Lebanon and the surrounding areas are under a tornado warning right now. This is the severe outlook, and as you can see, we are right in the middle of the red. Though at least we're not as bad as Oklahoma City. Oklahoma City is in some big trouble today. Somewhere around midnight tonight, we're going to get some severe weather, and if we are going to get a tornado warning, it's going to happen here. Well, that's going to suck. I would have much rather had some sort of tornado warning during day or earlier at night. Oh well. We are under a tornado warning right now. And I am not happy about it. I'm actually scared. I am shaking in my boots right now. Oh shit. There's rotation close to my area. Yeah, I'm not happy about this. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta take shelter. I don't think I'm gonna go out there tonight, this time. I'm going to stay in the house. I'm hiding in the bathroom right now. This is the second time the sirens are going off. They are off. Two times in a row. I can still hear it winding down. It must be the one from the gas station. It is midnight. It's supposed to expire, but the sirens are going off again. That's not a good sign. I shouldn't be doing this while I'm stepping out. Three times now. They usually go off either 3 times or 4 times during a tornado warning. Those sound so terrifying. Wow. You know, this is why I like sirens. They all sound terrifying. Yeah. I was watching some YouTube. When will this pass by? Okay, so the tornado warning is over. It expired because it's now midnight. So hopefully it doesn't happen again. But apparently from 12 a.m. to 4 a.m. I mean 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. we're going to get some more weather like this. So this video might not be over because if we do get another tornado warning, I'm probably going to film it, even if I'm sleepy and stuff, because I'm a siren enthusiast. I like weather too. So I mean, not this type of weather, but like you know what I mean. Just when I thought it was over, it's not over. Second tornado warning of the night. Fourth time the sirens went off. Oh no, there goes the rain. Second tornado warning. Yay. I think the sirens are gone. Oh, no, they're still here. I have both earpods in, so I can't really hear that much right now. I've been watching YouTube. I'm still shaky, you can tell by the camera. It's not good. My phone is starting to die. I need it to check the weather. Okay, I think the siren shut off now. I can just hear the rain. You know, it's pretty bad when you can't even tell if the sirens are still going off or not. I can hear them in my head. Sirens are going off for the 5th time now. So while I'm just sitting here, I'll let you guys hear it, I guess. And I think I can also hear hail too, which we don't usually get down here in Rolla. I can hear the thunderbolt. I think they're done. Like I said earlier, I can't really tell if they are still going off or not because you can still hear them in your head right after that. So it still sounds like they're going off, but it's just in your head. I'm just going to assume they're done now. For now, at least. I swear to God, the power better not go out. That'll be a living nightmare. Going off for the 6th time. I hope when this one is over, we won't get another one tonight. I don't want to stay up till 4 a.m. I think something just hit my house. I could feel it. It's not good. They have a giant tree right next to our house. It better not fall over someday. think they're done now. So, here's the news I'm hearing. So earlier there was rotation spotted, which was very scary because like usually when we get tornado warnings down here in Rolla, we don't actually get tornadoes. We just get like just high winds and whatever else, but we usually don't get rotation close by. I mean, near Rolla or by Rolla or just in Rolla in general, I guess. So this here is definitely scarier than some other tornado warnings that I've been in recently. But it seems like that rotation is moving away from Rolla now, so that's a relief. The second tornado warning expired just now, so hopefully that's going to be it for tonight. I don't want another tornado warning. We're going to get more severe weather from 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. But I hope that changes because all day the weather's just been changing over and over again. We were originally supposed to get this stuff during 11 a.m. Well, 11 a.m. this morning, not right now. But that was moved over to like 7 p.m. And then that was moved over to 9 p.m. And then it was moved over to midnight. And then it all happened. And now we're going to get more. But hopefully it's going to change. Hopefully we're not going to get that. I don't want another tornado warning. Please, just please. I don't know about y'all, but I hate waking up to sirens going off. It always gives me a fight or flight response. It scares me. It's basically like a jump scare. That's what it is. So I'm not a big fan of these nighttime or midnight tornado warnings. The last few tornado warnings we've been getting, or at least the real ones, they've all taken place at night, either just earlier or like late at night when everybody's asleep. So hopefully that stops, please. Okay, so I got good news. So we did not get a third tornado warning in the middle of the night. We only got the two at midnight and nothing else except for just rain. Because we were supposed to get severe weather, but that was downgraded to just a normal thunderstorm. You see the mess that the storm made last night. So yeah, that's those were the two. Those were the first two tornado warnings down here in Rolla that we've gotten this year. We haven't gotten anything else before that. Only a tornado watch, but nothing else.